So, good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the basic idea about computer networks. That is the basic thing of our mobile communication subject. You all know what is computer. We have already studied in the previous semesters, right? What is computer networks? What is the fundamental of the networks? What are the components of the networks? In this semester, you are going to study about the mobile communication. So the mobile communication is nothing but a communication between more systems or more devices without any connection. That is the fundamental. Right? First, we see about what is computer networks. So networks, we know the basic definition of the network. It is an interconnection between two or more autonomous computers. Autonomous means individual system. So we have to connect more devices, that is either it may be computer or printer, whatever it may be, by using some cables or some communication channels. So this is the basic idea of a computer network. And also the definition is a computer network is a group of computers that use a set of common communication protocols over digital interconnections for the purpose of sharing resources located on or provided by the network nodes. You know what is protocols, right? Protocols is nothing but a set of rules how the data sharing is possible. So next we have to look after the components of computer networks. This also we have studied the previous semester. So there are five basic components. First one sender, the second one receiver, then the third one protocol, the fourth one medium, then the final one, that is the fifth one, message. So sender receiver is the systems. So where uh, we are sending the data from, that is called sender. Receiver, at which point we have received the message, it's called receiver. Then protocols. So protocol is nothing but a set of rules how the data is passing through the medium. That is the it's each and every communication system have its own protocols. There are different kinds of protocols are available. So normally the protocols is a set of rules. It originate the systems. It's synchronize the data from the sender to receiver. Then medium. Medium is nothing but a communication channel between sender and receiver. So it's communication between sender and receiver. It connect between sender and receiver. Either it may be connection oriented or connectionless, but surely we need some medium to transfer the data. Then message. Message, the sense, our data. Message is the data where what we have sent from the source to destination. So here the definition of protocol. Protocol is nothing but a set of rules that describes how the network works. There are different types of protocols available. So these are all the basic protocols: HTTP and FTP, hypertext transfer protocol, and FTP, that is file transfer protocol. Next, the medium. So I already told whether it may be wired medium or wireless medium. If you are connecting the systems by using some cables, then it is called wired network. Suppose the data transferred through air, that means there is no connection between the devices. That's called wireless network, right? Normally, wireless mobile networks can be divided into two types. So this is our basic thing. Wireless mobile networks can be divided into two types. First one, infrastructure networks. The second one, infrastructure-less network. What is the difference between infrastructure network and infrastructure-less network? First thing, in infrastructure network, there is some fixed structure. We have to form a structure, and also it has one base station or otherwise called access point. Once you want to send the data from source to destination, it may be passes through the air, but the data first comes from the sender, then it reaches the base station. After that, it finds the destination address, then it passes from the base station to the destination. So the base station is the mediator between the sender and the receiver, right? It's called infrastructure network. Infrastructure less network. Here there is no fixed architecture. Suppose we want to send the data from source to destination, source directly send the data to the destination. There will be no access point or base stations. So we want to send the data from node A to node B. In this case, node A acts as a client, node B acts as a server. So first it sends the data directly to the node B. Suppose you want to send the data from node B to node A, it directly sends node B to node A. So here each node is capable of acting both as a client and a server. So here each node is capable of decision making capacity also. So once you want to send the data, you no need to send the data to anywhere, it directly reaches the destination. Is there any doubt